Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make keto ranch dressing. Start by gathering full-fat mayonnaise, sour cream, fresh parsley, dill, chives, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and optional lemon juice or apple cider vinegar for brightness. Mix ingredients in a bowl, taste, and adjust seasoning, then refrigerate at least 30 minutes to meld flavors. Use as a dip, salad dressing, or sauce for roasted veggies and grilled meats. Combine 2 parts mayonnaise to 1 part sour cream for a rich, keto-friendly base, then add herbs and spices slowly while tasting. Begin with 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, then add salt and pepper to balance. Whisk for about 30 seconds until smooth and creamy, then fold in chopped fresh herbs, gently to keep texture. Chill the dressing for at least 30 minutes so flavors blend and deepen before serving. To vary flavors, add a splash of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice for brightness, or stir in a bit of hot sauce for heat. If fresh herbs aren't available, substitute dried herbs at about 1/3 the fresh quantity, but taste as you go. Transfer the dressing to an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 1 week, shaking or stirring before each use to restore creaminess and redistribute herbs and spices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.